What are the ingredients in anti-aging and life-prolonging supplements? What are their common properties, and what do they do? Would you like to find out? What can you do if you do not want to buy them? I will answer these questions in this video. Recently, with the advancement of technology and medicine, many new methods have been discovered to prolong human life. You have heard the expression, "You are what you eat." Think of your body as a factory. This factory is continually producing new cells. The factory needs nutrients to produce these cells. All these needs are met by what we eat. When we consume processed foods, and foods that are far from their natural state, the cell production factory cannot find what it needs. It has to use a poor imitation. This reduces the quality of cell production. As the cell quality deteriorates, the body ages faster. This is why getting the nutrients your body needs is so important. Do the supplements recommended to prolong life contain these nutrients? We do not know the production conditions and substances they contain. Synthetically produced substances can have bad effects on your body. In this video, I will explain what you can do instead of buying these supplements. If you know someone who wants to stay young or is curious about this topic, please share this video with them. What are the ingredients? What do they do? And how do we get them naturally? I'll tell you now. All these supplements generally contain what I'm about to tell you. Quercetin contains antioxidants. It protects cell health and reduces allergic reactions. Apples and pears are high in quercetin. Fisetin is a very good antioxidant that slows down the aging process. It is abundant in dates and especially strawberries. Curcumin is a polyphenolic compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin gives turmeric its color. This is why it is so abundant in turmeric. Epigallocatechin repairs and prevents cell damage. It is also a good antioxidant, found in green and black teas. Rosmarinic acid is a natural antioxidant and antimicrobial, found in plants such as mint, basil, cress, thyme, and rosemary. You may have noticed what they all have in common. They all contain antioxidants. By the way, it is very important to us that you like the video and follow our channel. Antioxidants are also used to repair damaged cells, so we need to get more antioxidants, not only to delay aging, but also to stay healthy. The good news is that almost all unprocessed foods have antioxidant properties in their natural state. Antioxidants that improve general health have an immune-boosting effect. Furthermore, antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals help prevent DNA damage within cells. Protecting cells means protecting skin, internal organs, eyes, hair, and the whole body. The whole body is made up of cells. Eating naturally is good for your health and longevity. There are many videos on our channel that may be of interest to you. Have a healthy day.